Street from 15th step. Thank you. Next night. Today's state and sport news is brought to you by Jaiti from Great and Coral. State is holy celebrated and joy's not in common. Sport news. Bharat Gavaskar traffic extender to 5 days. Thank you. Have a good day. The report is brought to you by Manoj from Grade 1 Coral. As a report. Temperature 39 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature 28 degrees Celsius. Thank you. The report is brought to you by Manoj from Grade 1 Coral. As a report. Temperature 39 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature 28 degrees Celsius. Thank you. Today what is brought to you by Mahesh from Grade 1 course. What education EDUCATION education. Spelling friends, please spell after me. EDUCATION education. Thank you. Have a good day. Morning everyone. Today amazing facts are brought to you by Anvaya from Grade 1 Coral. Amazing facts. Fact number 1. Horse and cows sleep standing up. Fact number 2. Apples float on water. Fact number 3. Venus spins backwards. Fact number 4. Crocodile cannot stick their tongue out. Thank you. Next my friend will continue. GK. Today's GK questions is brought to you by Abhinava from Grade 1 Coral. GK questions. Question for Grade 1. How many hours are there in a day? I repeat my question. How many hours are there in a day? Yes, you pick the correct answer and answer is 24 hours. Let us consider them. Question from Grade 2. How many days are there in a year? 7. Sorry, you didn't pick the correct answer and answer is 365. Question for Grade 3. How many vowels are there and English alphabet and name them? Yes, you pick the correct answer. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 4. What is the smallest month of the year? Yes, you pick the correct answer and answer is February. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 5. How many days are there in a February month have in the leap year? Yes, you pick the correct answer and answer is 29. Let us appreciate them. Thanks to have a beautiful day.
Lovely. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and I treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In there will be and prosperity, alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Today's international and national news is brought to you by Arkam from Great Topaz. International news. India supports Philippines in upholding its national sovereignty, EAM Jai Shankar. National news. The Delhi High Court will take up a Arvind Kejriwal request on Wednesday in which he has challenged his arrest as well as a lower court order granting the ED his custody for 7 days. Thank you. Have a great day. Today's state and sport news is brought to you by Kevish of Great Topaz. State news. TSRTC stuck to get 43.2% DA. Sport news. India-Australia Test Series schedule announced part to host opening match. The 5 matches Test Series organized Rohit Sharma said commencing in part on November 22. All match will be day and night. Thank you. Have a cheerful Wednesday.
Today's weather forecast is brought to you by Nasim of Grade Topaz. Minimum temperature 27 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 40 degrees Celsius, humidity 50%, wind 8 km per hour. Thank you. Have a colorful Wednesday. This is the end of news bulletin.
This thought is brought to you by Saitid of Grade Topaz. Thought. Dream is not that which you see while you are sleeping. It is something that does not let you sleep. I repeat it again. Dream is not that which you see while you are sleeping. It is that something that does not let you sleep. Thank you.
Today what is brought to you by Kevin of Great Topaz. What? Dream. It is a noun. It means series of events or images that happen in our mind when you are sleeping. Friends, please spell after me. Dream. D-R-E-A-M. Dream. Thank you. Have a good day.
GK questions and open questions are brought by Catherine of Grade Topaz. Question for grade 6. Who is known as father of Indian Constitution? Yes, you pick the right answer. And the answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Let us upset them. Question for grade 7. Gidda is the folk dance of. I repeat it again. Gidda is the folk dance of. Yes, you pick the right answer. And answer is Punjab. Let us upset them. Question for grade 8. Gir National Park in Gujarat is famous for. I repeat it again. Gir National Park is in Gujarat is famous for. Yes, you pick the right answer. The answer is lion. Let us upset them. Question from 9th. What is the population density of India? What is the population density of India? Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer. The answer is 464 per kilometer square. Open questions. What is the length and breadth of Indian national flag? I repeat it again. What is the length and breadth of Indian national flag? Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer. The answer is length 90 centimeter, breadth 60 centimeter. Second question. What is the ratio of Indian national flag? Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer. The answer is 3:2. Gateway of India is located at. Yes, you pick the right answer. The answer is Mumbai. Let us observe them. Thank you.